What is up? What is up? What is up? So I'm gonna be covering .BUSD and just letting you guys know my thoughts. First of all, this is not financial advice, and if you are trading crypto or the stock market, make sure you do your own research and make sure that you're trading with as much information as you can. But in saying that, this is not financial advice, just for entertainment purposes. And so in this video, I'm just going to share my theory on what's happening here with .BUSD. So I had a friend of mine message me, and he trades crypto. He's been doing it for a while, and he's, he said, "Look, can you please chart up this coin?" And so what I've done is, a lot of times what I've done is, you can see here that there's a clear resistance level that has been formed over the last year or so, and that resistance level, I'm gonna put it here in green, and it seems to be a very significant resistance level. We've got a couple of touches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a few double bottoms there, so 8, 9, 10, going on 11 touches right now. And so what that means is, because over the last few years, the last year, sorry, it's actually used it as a very strong support level. It now will actually transfer and almost be a very strong resistance level. But what I'm going to show you now is, I'm going to see. So if we're trying to trade this, okay, we're just going to take this mark here and we're just going to run it up. Alright. So if we're going to trade this, obviously it's starting to create its own sort of uptrend here. And if we're, this is on the 4-hour chart, and if we're zooming in, we can see that it's actually respected this sort of uptrend very much, and so we'll be expecting it to, in theory, move upwards. Okay, but I want to show you something that I have picked up. Okay, I'm going to take this exact same uptrend line that I've just drawn. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it, and I'm just going to move it here. Okay. I'm going to paste another one, and I'm going to move it here. And I'm going to paste another one, and I'm just going to move it. And I'm just trying to find the sort of times when it's sort of gone up on a rally or a run, and as you can see, the pattern that we see here is that it's almost very mechanic, as you would want to put it, the way that it's gone up like that, and it's actually, in my opinion, institutional. So what you'd have here is, you'd have institutions or whoever it is with a lot of money pumping these stocks, these coins, to a certain point to get people excited, and then taking profits after that. I don't think this is uncommon, but it even gets a little bit more. It even gets more specific than that. So if I were to shorten this to just the actual length of the uptrend, so it breaks it there, right? And I were to copy that and take that actual length. Right, now let's get rid of. So we've got one there. Now let's replace it with this one. See what's happening. Yeah, let's copy it again. Let's replace it with this one. Okay, as you can see in the charts, not only is the uptrending angle exactly the same, but the actual the actual price range that it trades, and also the actual time frame that it trades. So what I can say is that there's institutions out there that are specifically targeting traders that have algorithms that actually trade these coins and stocks for gain, and tricking the market into thinking that there's a genuine uptrend or a genuine interest in whatever product, whether it be coins or stocks, and then getting the hook and getting people buying in on these big gains, and then institutions selling off for profits. And so what I'll be expecting now, the dilemma we have now is that so if we take this one here, right now we're in a current trade. I'd actually be looking for dot to pump up if it breaks this resistance level, but I would not be trading it going long past this point here on whatever date that is, if you can see. So yeah, that's my take on DOT and live trading today. If you have any questions, what do you think about DOT, and are there any other coins or stocks that would like me to cover? Let me know your thoughts.